Okay, let's get this next flight with a run cam 2 in the cockpit. Get it secured in. We'll be up on our way.
Middle rates, high rates.
Okay, taking off to the right. Come back over, bring the gears up.
Gear up.
Gears are up. Let's go fly. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah, it's a solid flyer. This one. I like the 1400s, the FMS 1400s.
Oh yeah. You had any trouble with the retracts on these?
Oh, as in what, like handling the grass field? Or all my retracts have been modified. Just a little bit. This one has like 2 washers in between the retract and, you know, the housing, the backside has 2 washers in each post, so like, you know, to angle the gears forward a little bit. The Mustang, actually I made no modifications to the Mustang gears. The Corsair, I'm gonna swap out those gears. I'm gonna put the gears that actually come in this plane in the Corsair. The Corsair gear struts they're too weak. They're just not that good. And there's no kind of oleo, you know, there's no suspension or anything in those.
Are there in these?
Yes, yeah, this one and the Mustang. The Zero, that had major work done as far as like gears raked forward. Because like the way the housing is, it's like fitted, it's designed exactly to fit like that retract like a glove.
Yep.
So like it doesn't allow much movement, you know, like to be able to angle the retracts forward.
Yep.
So I have to, you know, with like a drill bit, like shave into the wall, like the back wall, to allow the retracts to go forward. But yeah, no, the ones that have had problems, those gears have been raked forward. But of the 5, I have, you know, the Mustang, Corsair, this, the Zero, and the 109. The 2 most capable field handlers are this one and the Mustang. The 109 has no problems with like nosing over because the gears are already raked forward, but the 109 has a real low, not low, real narrow track, you know, gear track, and so it's a lot more easier to do like the ground loops with those. You know, I've already snapped the tail wheel on the a 109 with a ground loop. But yeah, no, these are solid.
And they're all the FMS?
They're all FMS, yeah.
I bought some stuff from a guy that was getting out of the hobby, and 2 of them were FMS. One's the FW90 and the other one's the P-47.
The P-47, that's a 6L flyer.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't have that one.
Yeah,
I got the E-Flight one.
I've been a little bit uneasy about sending them up. I haven't ever dealt with retracts in all the time I've been doing this.
Oh, really? I love these things. But with certain planes like this one and the Corsair, like the 90-degree retract models, and the Hellcat too, the CG will shift backwards a little bit when the gears go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you
balance
know,
it with the gears up,
yeah. I like to have it. You know, a lot of warbird flyers like a little nose heaviness. I get it like try to get it as perfect as possible because like it's gonna naturally become more nose heavy when the gears come down. Yeah, so
Which is when you need
which is when I
it.
need it least to be nose heavy. Because of the field. You know, if it's too nose heavy, it's a lot more easier to, you know, like nose over.
Yeah. Yeah, I
Split
probably
these.
should get off the time and just bring them out.
That's what they're for.
Yeah. This one is very smooth though.
Yeah, I finally got it centered out, the trim. I've been working on this trim for quite a few flights. I think the last flight I finally got it.
I'm finally there with this silly F4 now.
F4.
The Wildcat.
Oh, the Wildcat.
It was doing really, really well until a dog stepped on it.
Oh, I see.
The wing's not quite the same shape it used to be.
No. Need some like control surface adjustments.
What I probably need to do is pour some hot water on the wing.
Oh, yeah, to
Flatten.
puff it back out, yeah. That works.
It's kind of bent upward a little bit on the middle on one side, so it's
1 minute and 17 seconds, 15 volts.
Oh, perfect. Plenty of power. I get good flight time out of the
4S in this?
yeah, 5,000 4S.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. The timer's set to 8 minutes, but really I can get like easily like 9.5, 10 minutes. At 8 minutes, on the average, I come in with like right about storage voltage, right around like 15.2 to 15.4 volts. So like you know, like at 8, that's at 8 minutes. So like I can probably run it till like 10 minutes, to just to get the low voltage.
I don't know about you, but I don't like stretching too hard.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's the reason why.
I've seen too many guys rolling
33
the ball.
seconds, 15.1.
I set the timer that way so that I have time to land. You know, because like to me, landing is the hardest part. To me. And then you know, if I gotta go around multiple times, then it's gonna start to wear the battery. Where's that breeze coming? Did it switch direction?
It's coming from
my back.
and left.
Oh, it switched directions.
Yes, it's moving around to almost straight out from the left now.
Okay.
Timer 1
I'm
elapsed.
gonna get ready to come land. Let's drop these gears.
Gear down.
Beautiful.
Very nice. That's so, again, very smooth.
Yeah. Oh shit. There you go. Oh. Damn it. On the field.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Middle rates, high rates.
Oh, this is definitely the thick part of the field. Okay. That way. Okay, I give it. Good
Middle
enough.
rates, low rates.